Stop scrolling. What if you never stopped yawning? And I mean never, forever. You think I'm joking? Watch. 10 minutes. Your jaw's already screaming in pain. You can't breathe. Your face feels like it's tearing apart. You're panicking. 1 hour. Your jaw muscles are literally on fire. Every yawn hurts more than the last. Your TMJ joint is swelling up. You hear clicking. Pop, pop, pop. Something's breaking. 3 hours. Your jaw locks wide open. You can't close it. Your throat is burning raw. You're drooling everywhere. You don't recognize yourself anymore. Still watching? Hit subscribe. It gets worse. 6 hours. Your jaw starts dislocating. Every yawn rips it further from your skull. You're hyperventilating. Your whole body's shaking. 12 hours. Your face is tearing apart. Muscles shredding. Your jaw's hanging like a broken puppet. Blood vessels in your eyes bursting one by one. 24 hours. Your body gives up. Brain damage. Your jaw's completely destroyed. Everything goes black. Your last yawn is your last breath. So maybe let those yawns happen naturally, okay? Like and follow Dr. X-Ray for more. Did I make you yawn?